Okay, gonna be replacing this inducer motor here. Inducer motor is bad, it failed, it's not working anymore. First thing we want to do is make sure we check for power. It's already turned the switch off, but just to double check, you know, we always want to make sure. So we have 0 volts. What you're going to do is, there's 2 screws, one here, which are already removed. So you can move that pressure switch out the way. You're going to want to unloosen these 2 screws, 5/16 screws. Next thing you want to do is, you got these long bolts that you want to undo. There's 2 on this side, and then 2 on this back side. I find that it's helpful to have this long extension bit. That way you're able to get to it. Next thing is, I think we gotta remove that capacitor out the way and make sure all the wiring's out the way. We also want to undo this here. So just get a pair of linesmen. Unclip these hose, and this should be ready to pull out. Here's that screw. I guess you got one more. Well, this may come together, not sure. I think you're gonna want to hold on to this hub here. Probably reuse that. Save these 2. These come off. Save those. Okay, so this is the new one here. So it already comes with the wiring, the cap, the capacitor, and the plug. So that's pretty much it. You can put some RTV type silicone around here to create a good seal. See how this one's coming apart. So basically, once you get all that, then you're just gonna set this back in place. Make sure you have these that you saved. They just go back in place. There's the other one down here. So once you got this guy in place, just reconnect everything, make sure everything's nice and tight, test it out. That's pretty much it.